me all your shapes.
A circle, a triangle, a quill, a heart.
Very good. Do it again.
A Debbie, a Dara, Debbie Dabba,
Who is that?
Debbie,
Tell me.
Debbie Dabba,
Who is this?
Debbie,
Who are you?
Damba,
What's your name?
Dumby Dabby Dabby,
And who is that?
Debbie Da,
And who is this?
Debbie Da,
And who are you?
Dabba,
And who is that?
Debbie Da.
Let me check on Dabby Da. Hi, Dabby Da. Hi, Dabby Da. Are you teething with all this juice? Hi, Dabby Da.
Hi, Da.
Hi, Dabby Da. Hi, Dabby Da.
Hi, Da.
Who is this?
Deva.
Daiba? Hi, Daiba. Hi.
Daba, Daba.
And who are you?
Daba.
I thought that was Daiba. That's Dabby Da. Right?
Dabby Da.
You're Dabby Da?
You Dabby Da.
What's your name?
Dabby Da.
Oh, okay. I got 3 Dabby Das.
3 Dabby Das.
Who is that?
3 Dabby Das.
Okay. Hi, Dabby Da. This is my youngest Dabby Da. My baby Dabby Da. My youngest Dabby Da. Yes, it is. Hi, Dabby Da. Hi, Dabby Da. Okay, you want to try and pick him up? Take his socks off? No. No, he's going to be cold. Because he's so big, isn't he? Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I love you, Dabby Da.
I love you, Daddy Da.
I love you too, precious.
I love you.
Bye-bye.